What's up, everyone? It's Finance, and today we're talking about how to travel like a pro without breaking the bank. That's right, we're diving deep into the world of travel credit cards to help you earn points, miles, and unlock those sweet, sweet travel perks. Whether you're a seasoned jet setter or just starting to plan your adventures, using the right credit card can be a game changer. We're talking free flights, hotel upgrades, lounge access, the works. And the best part? You're basically getting paid to spend money you were going to spend anyway. Over the next few minutes, we'll be breaking down the top travel credit cards of 2024. We'll compare their sign-up bonuses, rewards programs, and all those extra perks that can make your travels smoother and more luxurious. So, if you're ready to level up your travel game and start earning rewards like a pro, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with a crowd favorite, the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Now, this card has been a staple in the travel rewards world for a reason. It consistently ranks high for its generous sign-up bonus and incredible flexibility when it comes to redeeming your points. Right now, you can earn a whopping 60,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. That's enough points for some serious travel. We're talking potentially a couple of round-trip flights depending on where and when you want to go. But the real magic of the Sapphire Preferred lies in its points redemption options. You can redeem your points for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards at an impressive 1.25 cents per point. That means your points are worth 25% more when you book travel through Chase. Alternatively, you can transfer your points to a variety of airline and hotel partners, often at a 1-to-1 ratio, giving you even more flexibility to maximize your rewards and book that dream vacation. Now let's talk about the perks. The Sapphire Preferred comes packed with benefits that can elevate your travel experience. You'll get access to primary car rental insurance, which can save you a ton of money and hassle if something goes wrong on your road trip. Plus, you'll enjoy trip delay reimbursement, baggage delay insurance, and trip cancellation/interruption insurance. So if your flight gets delayed, your luggage gets lost, or you have to cancel your trip unexpectedly, the Sapphire Preferred has got you covered. And for those of you who love to explore new cuisines, the Sapphire Preferred offers access to DoorDash Pass, which gives you unlimited deliveries from eligible restaurants with no delivery fees for a certain period of time. With a $95 annual fee, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is an excellent value for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of travel rewards, or for seasoned travelers who want a card with flexible redemption options. So, who is the Chase Sapphire Preferred perfect for? Well, it's a fantastic option for those of you who want a solid all-around travel card with a great sign-up bonus and the flexibility to redeem points for travel in various ways. If you're someone who values being able to transfer points to different airlines and hotels, or if you want the option to book travel directly through Chase Ultimate Rewards, this card should be on your radar. However, if you're a frequent flyer loyal to a specific airline or hotel chain, you might want to consider a co-branded card that earns miles or points directly with that brand. It all depends on your travel style and preferences. In the next chapter, we'll be exploring another premium travel card that's known for its luxurious perks and airport lounge access, the American Express Platinum Card. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let's step into the world of premium travel rewards with the American Express Platinum Card. Now, this card is in a league of its own, offering unparalleled luxury and travel perks that can make your trips truly unforgettable. We're talking airport lounge access, statement credits for travel expenses, and a whole host of other benefits that scream premium traveler. Of course, all this luxury comes at a price, a hefty $695 annual fee. But before you dismiss it as too expensive, let's dive into the details and see if the Platinum Card's perks and rewards outweigh the cost for your travel style. Trust me, you might be surprised at the value this card can offer, especially if you travel frequently. One of the biggest draws of the Amex Platinum is its unparalleled airport lounge access. We're talking access to the coveted American Express Centurion lounges, which are known for their luxurious amenities, complimentary food and drinks, and dedicated workspaces. You'll also get access to Delta Sky Clubs when you fly Delta, Priority Pass Select membership, which grants you access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide, and access to airspace lounges, escape lounges, and plaza premium lounges. Basically, you'll never have to sit in a crowded airport terminal again. But wait, there's more. The Platinum card also comes with a plethora of statement credits that can offset its annual fee. You'll get up to $200 in airline fee credits per calendar year, up to $200 in Uber credits annually, and up to $100 in Saks Fifth Avenue credits annually. Plus, you'll enjoy a $240 digital entertainment credit, a $300 Equinox credit, and a $155 Walmart Plus credit. That's a lot of potential savings right there. So, is the American Express Platinum card worth the hefty annual fee? Well, it really depends on your spending habits and how you value travel perks. If you're someone who travels frequently, enjoys airport lounge access, and can maximize the card's statement credits, then the Platinum card can be an incredible value. The perks and rewards can easily outweigh the annual fee, especially if you take advantage of the lounge access and travel credits. However, if you're an occasional traveler or someone who doesn't prioritize airport lounge access or luxury travel perks, then the Platinum card might not be the best fit for you. There are plenty of other travel credit cards out there with lower annual fees that might be a better value for your needs. All right, let's talk about a card that keeps things refreshingly simple. The Capital One Venture Rewards card. No confusing bonus categories or restrictions. It offers a flat rate of 2 miles per dollar on every purchase. Groceries, gas, streaming services, even that Tesla Model 3, all earn 2 miles per dollar. No rotating categories or minimum spending thresholds. Perfect for those who want a no-fuss way to earn rewards. Use your miles to erase travel purchases or transfer to partners. The flexibility of the Capital One Venture Rewards card is a huge advantage. The Capital One Venture Rewards card offers a solid sign-up bonus. Earn 75,000 miles after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. That's worth at least $750 in travel expenses. Imagine a round-trip flight to Hawaii or a luxurious staycation at a 5-star hotel. The card has a $95 annual fee, but it offers up to a $100 credit for global entry or TSA pre-check. This credit can offset the annual fee, making the card practically free for frequent travelers. So, who is this card perfect for? Well, if you appreciate simplicity and hate keeping track of rotating bonus categories, this is the card for you. It's also a great option if you're new to the world of travel rewards cards. The straightforward rewards program and user-friendly interface make it easy to navigate and maximize your earnings. Plus, the ability to transfer your miles to travel partners adds another layer of flexibility and value. However, if you're a hardcore points and miles enthusiast who enjoys meticulously optimizing every aspect of your rewards strategy, you might find the Capital One Venture Rewards card to be a bit too basic. There are other cards out there with more complex rewards programs that might better suit your needs. Ultimately, the best travel rewards card for you depends on your individual spending habits, travel preferences, and how much effort you're willing to put into managing your rewards. But for those who value simplicity, flexibility, and a solid return on their everyday spending, the Capital One Venture Rewards card is definitely worth considering. All right, moving on to number 4, we've got the City Premier card. Now, this card is a great option for folks who like to rack up points in specific categories. We're talking a solid 3 points per dollar spent at restaurants, supermarkets, gas stations, air travel, and hotels. That's huge, guys. Think about it, you're essentially earning triple the points compared to a regular cashback card on all those everyday expenses. That adds up fast, especially if you're someone who dines out often or travels frequently. And the best part? These ThankYou points are super flexible. You can redeem them for travel, gift cards, statement credits, even cashback. The choice is yours. Plus, Citi often has transfer bonuses to their airline and hotel partners, which can really boost the value of your points. So if you're strategic about how you spend and maximize those bonus categories, the Citi Premier card can be a real game changer for racking up rewards. It's like having a side hustle that rewards you for your everyday spending. Now, let's talk about travel protections because the Citi Premier card really shines in this department. One standout feature is the trip cancellation and interruption coverage. Imagine this. You've booked a dream vacation, and then bam, something unexpected happens, like an illness or a family emergency. With this card, you're covered for those non-refundable travel expenses, up to a certain limit, of course. And it doesn't stop there. The Citi Premier card also offers baggage delay insurance and lost baggage reimbursement. So, if your luggage decides to take a detour, you won't be left high and dry. These protections provide invaluable peace of mind, knowing that you're covered in case any travel hiccups arise. And let's be real, unexpected travel disruptions can be super stressful and expensive. Having the Citi Premier card in your wallet is like having a safety net for those just-in-case scenarios. Trust me, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Okay, let's talk numbers. The Citi Premier card does come with a $95 annual fee. However, when you consider the earning potential and those valuable travel protections we just discussed, it can definitely be worth it, especially if you're a frequent traveler. And here's the kicker, the sign-up bonus. Citi often runs limited-time offers where you can snag a hefty chunk of ThankYou points after meeting a minimum spending requirement within the first few months of card membership. Now, those points alone can be worth hundreds of dollars in travel, potentially offsetting the annual fee for the first year or even longer. It's like getting a mini vacation just for signing up. Seriously, who doesn't love a good sign-up bonus? So, if you're looking for a card that rewards you generously for everyday spending, offers top-notch travel protection, and throws in a sweet sign-up bonus, the Citi Premier card is definitely worth considering. Coming in at number 5, we have the Bank of America Travel Rewards card. Now this one's for all my no annual fee enthusiasts out there. That's right, you can enjoy the perks of a travel rewards card without having to shell out an annual fee. I'm all about maximizing rewards without breaking the bank, and this card aligns perfectly with that philosophy. It's a great option for people who are new to the world of travel rewards or those who simply prefer a no-frills approach. And don't let the lack of an annual fee fool you. This card still packs a punch when it comes to earning rewards. You'll earn an unlimited 1.5 points per dollar on all purchases, which is pretty solid for a no annual fee card. No need to worry about category restrictions or spending caps. Just use your card for your everyday purchases and watch those points accumulate effortlessly. It's like getting a little bonus on every swipe. Now, let's talk about redeeming those points, because flexibility is key. With the Bank of America Travel Rewards card, you have a couple of options. You can redeem your points for travel purchases like flights, hotels, rental cars, and even vacation packages directly through Bank of America's travel portal. It's super straightforward and user-friendly. Or, if you prefer more control over your travel bookings, you can redeem your points as a statement credit against any travel-related purchase you've made within the past 120 days. This gives you the freedom to book your travel however you like, whether it's through your favorite airline, hotel booking site, or travel agent. Plus, there are no blackout dates or seat restrictions to worry about. Now, even though this is a no annual fee card, it still comes with some noteworthy perks. You'll get access to Bank of America's enhanced travel and emergency assistance services when you're traveling abroad. This includes things like lost luggage assistance, emergency card replacement, and even help with medical or legal referrals. It's like having a personal travel assistant in your back pocket, ready to assist you with any travel-related issues that may arise. Plus, the Bank of America Travel Rewards card comes with 0 foreign transaction fees. That means you can use your card internationally without incurring those pesky fees that can eat into your travel budget. So, whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a trip around the world, the Bank of America Travel Rewards card offers a simple and rewarding way to earn points on your everyday spending without any annual fees. And there you have it, guys. My top picks for the best travel credit cards of 2024. Remember, the best card for you ultimately depends on your individual spending habits, travel preferences, and how much you value certain perks. So, do your research, compare the options, and choose the card that aligns best with your financial goals. It's all about maximizing those rewards and making your travel dreams a reality. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on travel rewards and financial advice. Let us know in the comments which travel credit card you're most excited about for 2024. Happy travels and see you in the next video.